Good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's boy Chase back again with another video. Today we're going to unpack in the Golf. We're getting ready for prime and welding on the final plate, and then basically looking for great weather to prime the car. So let's get the Golfie out and get ready. Alright, let's keep on going, bro. Golfie. There we go. No, stay. One Golfie out, bro. Okay guys, so now we're gonna just pack the stuff that's in the Golf at the moment out, take it out, pack it somewhere neat so we can get inside there. Basically part of the prep work and all that, ready to prime the car. Yeah, let's shoot, bro. Let's shoot. So while we're doing this, I'm gonna do a speed run through all this. It's just because this is my parents' backyard and all that. My dad's garage that I'm using is everything for the Golf I packed in the Golf, because my dad needs space to do his projects and his work and his stuff. So that's the reason. Now I have to take all the things out to get it ready for prime. Go back. Let's go circle. 25. A little secret of what's gonna go on the car. Let me know in the comment section what do you think is in this bag. This is the wood rubber. As you guys can see, I'll show you now. The top is, because it still has some rust in there. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but a rust still in the rubber. Very important, do not throw away. Here's the best part of it all. Driver fender. Oh, need some work on. I forgot about this. But just basically the top here, the sun baked it. And again the horrible flat mud flaps. Also, I'm gonna take it off now. Chill, mother, chill right there. Let's be gone with it. Sweet, mother, sweet. There we go. Off. Goodbye to the rubbish. Fender, bro, fender. Just another quick thing with you guys that know VW. They love either Bosch or Oscar stuff. Don't know if I said that right, but anyway. This was... So yeah, no, the Golfs love the Bosch and all those products, but... Yeah, there's the old Golf lights. Don't worry, got other ones, so don't stress. You know, stay tuned, we're going to be fitting these when the car's done. That's going to be awesome. Not obviously these. Oh, there we go, basically everything's out. I want to show you guys how messy it is in there, but come check a look. Don't know if you guys can see that in there. Let's get in closer. It's very messy. Yeah, as I said, need to be doing a lot of changing and getting things ready for what we need to. But other than that, gonna be welding soon. The final plate in, and then we're gonna be skidding the rest of the car, and then prime, guys. Prime. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome.